Hello, welcome in Ankita's tutorial. In today's lecture, we are going to learn basic formulas in Microsoft Excel. So I have here one mark sheet with some students' data, and there we are going to calculate total, average, maximum, minimum and percentage. For calculating total, select the marks and click on Auto Sum button. This button is in Editing Group of Home tab. Here we have sum, average, count numbers, maximum, minimum and more functions. So we will click on sum. The total of first student is displayed here. The same way we can calculate for next student also, but we already learn autofill function. So we will use that function here. Just take your cursor at the corner of the cell and drag it down. So all student marks total is displayed here. Now for calculating average, select marks again. Make sure you have selected only marks, not total. Then click on average. Same way again select marks and click on max. Max means maximum marks of the students. In which subject she got maximum marks? In maths. So that is displayed here. For minimum, so 81 marks is the minimum marks of first student. Now select this all marks and drag it down together. So within fraction of second we have calculated here total, average, maximum and minimum. To calculate percentage, just take your cursor below the percentage heading and we will type here formula, because in auto sum button there is no percentage formula. In more functions also percentage formula is not available. So we will type here manually. Every Excel formula is starting with equal to sign. And for calculating percentage we need total. So first student total is 268. When I click on that cell reference is displayed here, that is F3 divided by total marks. Here 3 subjects and that is out of 300, means divided by 300 and multiply by 100, because this is percentage. Press enter key, percentage is displayed here. Here again autofill. That's it. Now here I have data in vertical format and I want to calculate total of unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3. So I will select these marks and click on auto sum button, sum. Or here we can write here formula equal to sum bracket, select this range, complete your bracket and press enter key. Or click on formula bar, make sure this cell is selected and there type equal to sum bracket, select the range, complete your bracket and press enter key. Same way for average, equal to average bracket, select range, complete bracket and enter key. Select both the cell and drag till end. Like this we can calculate total, average and other basic formulas vertically as well as horizontally. If you want to take this total in any other column, for example I want to take total in K7, so here I will write equal to sum bracket, here I will select range, complete bracket and enter key. Means we can write formula in any cell on the sheet. Hope you understand this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.